Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable call waiting on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, tap on settings. Now from here, scroll down and tap on calling accounts. Now from here, just tap on call waiting. Now from here, just enable call waiting. Now from here, tap on turn on. Now sometimes when you try to enable call waiting, it shows an error. Now to solve this error, just swipe down and open the control center. Now from here, make sure that you have enabled the mobile data, just like that. And this is how you can enable call waiting on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.